Hello buddies, I'm Navneet and today we will talk about the provisioning coverage ratio. So recently the financial stability report released by the RBI in which said the provisioning coverage ratio has increased to 68.86%. So what do you mean by the provisioning coverage ratio? So before that we need to remember that the assets and the liabilities. So what is assets and what is liability? Assets is basically the profit whatever the banking in the form of loan they are paying to the people, corporation or any individual. So when they pay loan, so they get interest, let's say 6%, 7% and 8% or whatever. So that is the profit on that interest given by the people or either individual, corporation, anyone. So that is the profit. So that is known as the asset. And this profit incurred from the loans and the advances provided by the banks. Now the liabilities. Liabilities means if I am something putting or something deposit in the bank. So the bank has the liability means they are responsible whenever I will demand they have to pay my money. So that is known as the liability. Liabilities in the time deposits, demand deposits and the fixed deposits. As you know, when we deposit something into some amount in the bank, then they have to pay. Similarly, for the some years, the fixed amount and in the time deposit is the similar. So this is the assets and liabilities. One thing you need to remember that there are the terms bad loans. In that the non-performing assets is very important term. So what is non-performing asset? So non-performing assets when anyone, suppose I took a loan of 100 rupees. Now I have to pay interest of 6% and then I have to pay 160. But I am not able to pay either the principal amount means the 100 rupees and interest amount in the prescribed time, and after the prescribed time and the gap between the 19 days, if I am not able to a principal amount and as well as the interest amount, that would be classified as the non-performing asset. So this is what non-performing asset. Let's talk about the provisioning coverage ratio. So what do you mean by the provisioning? First will it. So banks provide loans to consumer, corporation or any of the following. So in that they got the profit. So to cover the bad loans, they have to assign a percentage of profit that is known as the provisioning. So what is the provisioning coverage ratio? So it is a percentage of funds to be set aside by the banks for covering the losses due to the bad loans. What do you mean? What did it mean? That if the banks provide this some loans and if there is any bad loans and which there is a doubt, then they have to set aside a certain percentage of that amount to cover that bad losses. So this is the provisioning coverage ratio. So remember that earlier the provisioning coverage ratio was 70%. Means if there is 100 rupees loan is given to anyone, then this 20 rupees has to keep aside by banks to cover that bad loans. So now there is no prescription, means there can be less than 20%, and if bank wants to cover the provisioning ratio more than 20%, then they can do. So what is do you mean? So you need to understand the concept. Means the higher the provisioning coverage ratio, means the bank is not vulnerable and less susceptible to bad loans. But bad asset quality management, this is the very important. You need to remember that means the higher the PCR, higher the provisioning coverage ratio, means that there is a bank is not vulnerable and less susceptible to bad loans. Means they can cope up because this certain percentage or let's say 70%, 80% or 60% has been already kept by the banks to cover that bad loan. But remember that if there is a higher PCR, then clearly shows that the asset quality management is much poor, because you need to cover these bad loans from your profit, which can be your actual profit, and you can, and banks will be more profit, so that profit you have to put here. So this shows the clearly the asset quality lack of asset quality management. And the lower the PCR, means the bank is more vulnerable, and bank is more vulnerable and more susceptible to bad loans, but the good asset quality management. So this is the basic and this is the all about the provisioning coverage ratio. What is the summary of this topic? This provisioning coverage ratio means the certain percentage of funds to be set aside to keep the bad loans or to cover the bad loans. So there is no prescription right now, although previously it was 70%. Higher the PCR means the bank is less vulnerable and not susceptible to bad loans and with the bad asset quality. So thank you guys. Hope you like this video. You should subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.